After hours deep in the hills, it was finally time to head back. And waiting below us was a convoy more than 20 strong.
We finally made it back down. We met up with the Bay Area Rivian Club. There is probably, I would say, a good 20 plus Rivians here. So,
Radio check, AJ.
But should be a lot of fun. We're gonna explore Tumey Hills again. And it's a beautiful day. It's already like 77, it's 10, so it's probably gonna be pretty hot. But yeah, let's go have some fun.
Climbing hills, crossing terrain, getting dirty. This is what these trucks were built for. To the founder and king of Rivian, RJ Scaringe, if this somehow gets across to you, look at what you helped create. The rapper Limp Bizkit would be proud. All we do is keep rolling, rolling, rolling. No, I'll stick to my day job. If you're a Rivian owner looking to get into more off-roading, having some fun, and meeting like-minded people who love Rivians as well, make sure to check out Rivian Clubs of America to find your local club. From above, the convoy stretched across the hills like a moving trail of dust and Rivian's iconic headlights. This felt less like a meetup and more like an expedition. What used to be considered impossible for electric trucks is starting to feel completely normal out here. A lot of people still think electric vehicles don't belong out here. But in reality, the trails don't care what powers you, whether gas or electric.
Climbing down the mountain. She'll be coming around. I should say 20 plus Rivians, a Cybertruck, and a couple Jeeps be coming around the mountain. We're close to where we're going to be stopping for lunch, and but this drive is honestly just beautiful. I think this is one of my favorite drives. It's a very simple trail, nothing too crazy. Few bumps here and there, but everyone's been having a good time. In our stack of, I think, 20 plus, however many vehicles we have in here, I've taken the tail gunner responsibility today. Make sure nobody gets left behind. Make sure we don't lose anybody, or somebody has some sort of malfunction. We can make sure they keep rolling with us, but it's cool, like, if you're, getting more into off-roading, the different positions and responsibilities of each, person in the conga line of cars. CJ, for example, he's the lead. We have Zach, he's the middle. And obviously I'm the tail. But everyone kind of just has their own, the lead kind of points out obstacles in the road to be aware, things that are coming up, and relay that so that the other people in the line can they have that expectation that, hey, something's coming, I need to be even more aware than I am now. But it's definitely it's definitely fun to kind of try out all the different responsibilities and such, but yeah, I'm pretty hungry. I'm definitely ready for lunch. I have leftover pizza from the pizza that I cooked, and I will say honestly that I think that pizza turned out pretty good. If I was to give it a rating out of 10, maybe a solid 6.5, and more so just because I could have, cut up the sausage a little bit more and whatnot, but overall, like, I wasn't expecting it to come out as good as it did, and I definitely enjoyed it. Gotta wait for the car ahead of me here. So to those who are watching, I think it'd be kind of valuable if you left a comment in the comment section of one piece of advice or one piece of trail etiquette you would give to somebody. Could be anything as, passing or anything. So if you're someone who does off-road and you appreciate trail etiquette, I think it's a good opportunity to kind of show other people too. But yeah, leave a comment of your, I would say, number one trail etiquette that you would recommend or would advice that you would give to somebody.
We all got out to check out one of the high points in Tumey Hills. For many, to take in the views, for some, a sense of accomplishment, and for all enjoying the time we had out here in this amazing place.
This is not a game. Wanna be a hero, 10 minutes of fame. Please just listen.
The convoy gathered together in the middle of Tumey Hills for lunch, photos, and a chance to actually take it all in. 19 Rivians, 1 Cybertruck, and 2 Jeeps.
Well, we wrapped up another Rivian adventure. I hope you guys had fun watching. I had fun spending some time outside with other like-minded individuals, good company, meeting new people. But yeah, all in all, it was a fun trip. No busted Rivians. We all made it through unscathed. Got a couple of pinstripes along the car. Which reminds me, I should probably get a detail, but yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you guys' support of the channel. looking forward to a lot more adventures as I'm kind of slowly finalizing my build, finalizing all the sleep system so that my family is comfortable. So when we do go out to these places, we feel like we have everything that we need. But big thank you to CJ, the Bay Area Rivian Club president, and also Zach Winnick for getting all this together. There's a lot of behind the scene stuff that I'm not really aware of, but I know how much planning, especially for a large group, kind of goes into planning that kind of stuff just so that we can all have some fun. So big thank you to those guys. CJ also as well. If you guys watch a few of my videos, when we do stuff with CJ, he's an off-road instructor. He also has his own instructing school for off-roading. If you own a Rivian, he has a Rivian as well. He does specific Rivian courses. And check out CJ, his own company, along with a partner of his. They run that off-road. They do off-road classes. It's the Sierra Nevada Off-Road Academy. I've taken a few of his classes. I feel a lot more comfortable when we do this off-roading and things. I'm not, as worried. It's because I've taken his classes, because I've done more off-roading, that now when I go off-roading, I feel a lot more confident. I feel a lot more experience, and that's really how you learn. So, but yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next adventure. I appreciate it, and thank you. Take care, guys. Peace.
As always, thank you for watching. Catch a ride with us on the next Amped adventure.